Okay lang. I just wanted to come here and say thank you so much for watching our film. Sana talaga magustuhan nyo. I thought nga, I would wait till the end, pero kakastart nyo pa lang pala. So, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to see your reactions. But thank you so much for supporting our movie. And please do help us spread the word sa Sinagtala. Anong part na ba kayo?
Sa'yo.
Yeah, ako.
Yun na fire ka.
Anong part doon? Yung sa?
Yung daddy mo.
Yeah, sa sakyan.
yung
You
yun.
told him you're fired.
Nice. Okay. So, ayun. Okay, you just watched one of my favorites, which is the beginning of the movie. Yung parang montage na makikita mo yung banda then and now. So, I hope you like that. And yeah, ayun lang. I just wanted to stop by and say hi. As you can see, it's a rest day for me. But ayun nga, nung nalaman ko na may viewing today, sabi ko, sige, daan ako. Ayun, meron na. Wala na, hindi na kailangan. Okay, bye!
I want to ask something.
Oo nga, sorry, ang aga. Obviously, you don't know what to ask yet. Kasi beginning pa lang ng movie. But baka lang. Hi!
Yeah, was there a time you were almost in a band or because I know you also sing?
Yeah, when I was in high school, di ba pag mga high school, merong mga club, yung pwede ka mag-join ng mga
Yeah.
club for school. So I joined band club. I actually auditioned for drums. And I joined theater club. And then when it was time to choose, sa theater club pa rin ako napunta. Although I did get in, which means my audition passed. But ayun, in the end, sa theater club ako napunta. When I was in high school kasi the band scene was really great. This is the time of Urban Dub, Up Dharma Down, Bamboo. Those were all my favorites. And a lot were from LaSalle also. So parang it was a very big deal to be in a band when I was in high school. So yes, I really wanted to. Pero ending, sa theater pa rin ako napunta.
But what can you say na this year, diba, 2025, ang daming music festivals, ang daming plays, musicals.
Sobrang saya kasi it kinda died down for a bit eh.
Yeah.
And I remember what a giant deal it was growing up na I would be able to listen and relate to music. And then parang ang tagal niyang nawala, at least in the local scene. So hindi naman nawala yung lahat ng music, but in the local scene, alam mo yun, parang mas naging big yung mga international acts, hindi na ganun ka-big deal na pag may mga bagong lumalabas na banda. We didn't praise them anymore the way we did when I was growing up. So yeah, now I'm so happy kasi ang lakas ng support sa mga local acts. You can see it in the band scene, ayun nga, you can see it in musicals, and you can really see it in the hip-hop scene and the P-pop scene also. So nakakatuwa kasi I get to be a fan of all of those performers again. And ayun nga, all of the performers that I grew up idolizing are actually still around and still coming up with new music now that there's more support. Me and my bandmates have a chat room and we always message each other like, guys, tugtog tayo ulit. Because it's fun, like we ended up realizing that there's more ways to explore our chemistry with each other. Na, I mean, as actors, we love to explore that like in an emotional way. Pero nakakatuwa din yung just to get one song done and performed and we're all playing at the same time, yung sa tamang timing at sa tamang vibe, alam mo kung kailan hihinaan, lalaksan. Parang that takes another kind of chemistry na in that 3 minutes and 30 seconds pala, ang daming nangyayari sa inyo, sa tinginan nyo, sa parang, okay, ito, pag narinig mo na mahina to, parang chichilan mo lang din, parang gano'n. So, it's it's very difficult to explain, I guess, without doing it. But ayun, that's what really drew me to the role. It's the idea of living out my childhood dream. Thank you.
Next po, Alan Sancon.
Hi,
Hello.
So, Congratulations kayo, di ba na?
Sorry ah.
Parang drummer ka dito, di ba?
Yeah.
Did you learn drums ba? Or parang talagang marunong ka na talagang mag-drums? Dahil sa childhood dreams mo nga yung maging drum?
I took naman some lessons when I was in high school. So I think I must have been mga 13, 14 years old. Pero hindi ako gumaling ha. As in yung basic na basic lang yung nagawa ko. And then kung may specific song lang ako na gustong matutunan, yun lang yung song. Pero hindi yung as in yung craft mismo as a whole. Hindi ka pwede mag-play ng music for me tapos alam ko na kagad kung paano. So medyo ganong level lang. And then, as I said earlier, parang nagbago yung path ko. Naging actor ako. And when this came along, itong movie na to, sabi ko, sige, paghahandaan ko siya. I'll book myself for lessons. And then, sinasabi sa akin ng mga coach ko, parang ibang level daw yung focus ko. Kasi nag 3-hour lessons ako. Kasi, once you have time, yun na yun eh. So, let's say, if I only have time once a week, or kung kayang twice, ito todo ko na. So, I would do 3-hour lessons. Sila yung tumutupi sa akin. Na parang naka-drain na daw ng utak. Yung parang, you know when you say the same word again and again, you forget what it means. Like, it doesn't sound like English anymore or Tagalog anymore. That's what it feels like when you're playing for 3 hours. It's like, I can't even hear if it's right or wrong or if it's nasa timing. But yeah, so I really exerted a lot of effort just to be able to see just to be able to play what you see right now.
Yes,
Thank you.
last question po.
Hello, Rian.
Hi.
Question, yung you said you have a band na parang are you actually gonna perform live somewhere with this band or something?
With Sinagtala.
Yeah.
So, ayun, we consider each other our bandmates na. From all of us, I think si RC lang yung talagang may sarili niyang band eh. Si Mac naman is a solo act. Si Liza is also a solo act. And Raver, usually, like, he's been getting more into singing now, but we all know, we grew up watching him dance, di ba? And so yeah, we have, funny enough, may mga support na, well, napaka-supportive sa amin. Ini-encourage kami na ituloy lang namin. Yung mga hindi is yung mga hindi lang is yung mga hindi marunong din tumugtog. So hater vibes. But mostly it's been really, really positive and ini-encourage kami mag-play. So we're actually considering that. But we're just going to finish muna yung mga responsibilities namin na we're signed up for, which is yung may next movie pa kami ni Liza and yung we're shooting Sangre. So after nun, actually, kinoconsider talaga namin na
Sana.
So watch out for that.
Sinagtala na yun.
Sinagtala times, oo. Magiging reality na yung yung from screen to real life. Ha?
Hindi man totally reality, syempre.
Well, I mean, syempre, may first love naman pa rin kami, which is yung acting. Or ewan ko kung yung iba, first love nila is music eh. Secondary yung acting. Ako, first love ko yung acting. So yun, grateful I am that you made time for this movie and to help us out. Hopefully, you're just like us na naniniwala na this movie has a greater purpose or a reason of why nabuo siya after all these years. Ayun nga, 2019 siya pitched sa akin, and now in 2025, it's finally a reality. So we really think that there's a special purpose or a special reason kung bakit siya natuloy. And especially dun sa mga kabataan, if we can help inspire or save a life, then that's what we really want to do. This is the kind of movie that I wish I was able to watch when I was younger, that would encourage me that hardships are temporary and there's more to life. there's a bright sinagtala at the end of the tunnel. So thank you again, and we hope that our message speaks to you, and sana you share it din. Syempre. Thank you.
One photo op na lang.
Yeah, sure.